Hello, aspiring student programmers. Welcome to another coding adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the world of authentication in NextJS applications. We will explore how to implement authentication using JSON Web Tokens, JWT, OAuth, and third-party libraries like next.js. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand the intricacies of protecting your NextJS applications and managing user sessions securely. Authentication is a cornerstone in modern web applications, ensuring that user data is protected and that users are who they claim to be. Mastering it is not just about adding security layers, but also about enhancing user experience. So grab your favorite beverage and let's embark on this coding journey. Now, let's dive into the code. In the provided code example, we begin with importing the necessary modules from next.auth and other libraries. Next.auth simplifies the process of adding authentication to your Next.js applications by providing built-in support for various authentication strategies, including email, social login, and more. Firstly, we configure next.auth in our application. We specify our authentication providers in the providers array. In this example, GitHub is used as an OAuth provider, which allows users to sign in using their GitHub account. The client ID and client secret are obtained from your GitHub OAuth application settings and stored securely, preferably in environment variables. Next, we define callbacks for JWT and session handling. The JWT callback is invoked whenever a JSON Web Token is created or updated. In this context, if the user object is available, which means a user has successfully signed in, we attach the user's ID to the token. This token is then used in subsequent requests to identify the user. The session callback, on the other hand, is invoked whenever a session is checked. Here, we attach the user ID to the session object, enabling us to identify the session's owner. The page's object is used to define custom routes for authentication actions. Here, we set a custom sign-in page located at /auth/signin. Finally, we have a custom login page component. This page uses the sign-in method from next-auth/client to authenticate users. When the form is submitted, the handle sign-in function is triggered, which sends the entered credentials to next.auth for verification. If the credentials are incorrect or if there is an error, it will be logged to the console. Otherwise, the user is successfully signed in, and you can redirect them or perform other actions post-sign-in. This example demonstrates the use of JWT for managing user sessions and OAuth for leveraging existing authentication services like GitHub. JWT is a secure way to transmit information between parties as a JSON object. It is used here to maintain session state across requests. OAuth, on the other hand, is a standard for access delegation, allowing users to grant websites or applications access to their information on other websites, but without giving them the passwords. In this tutorial, we've explored how to implement complex authentication in a Next.js application using JWT, OAuth, and next-auth.js. Understanding these concepts is crucial for securing your applications and ensuring a safe user experience. Extensibility. Our implementation can easily be extended to include more OAuth providers or to incorporate additional security measures as needed. This flexibility is vital in adapting to the ever-evolving web landscape. Reusability. By utilizing next.auth and other third-party libraries, we've ensured that our code is modular and reusable. This not only speeds up development time, but also improves the maintainability of our codebase. Efficiency. Our authentication system is designed to be efficient, minimizing the load on our servers and providing a smooth user experience. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.